Alright guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to get these new headlights and replace these hideous old yellow headlights. I'm going to show you how. Let's go. So to begin, just take out all these 10mm bolts and stuff. Just want to get this one out too. Hopefully I didn't break it too bad. Oh yeah, I broke it a little bit. And now I'm just gonna unhook the fog lights while they're easily accessible. Alright guys, so we got the fog lights unplugged on both sides. And you want to just make sure all these are out, holding the bottom in. I don't think you have to worry about these. Now it's time to go up here. Gotta look under here and look for these 3 clips. Just like that. Yeah, these are easy to break. So they just go right in there, right in there, and right in there. And pull this bumper out of its plastic clips. All right, and then you just pull forward. It takes a little bit of force, but you'll get it. Just gently pull it out. All right, a couple whacks, and it'll come loose like this. All right, just leave this here, and then go to the other side. And once those are all out, both of these sides are popped off. Okay, and they should start being able to come out right now. There it comes. Might have forgotten something. Right there. All right, so you got to take off these ones too. Okay, here it comes. And this is why you take out the fog lights earlier, because otherwise they get snagged right there. And I could just free this up, and I think we are good to take it all the way off. And there it is, easy as that. And to take the headlights out, you're gonna pop this off. All right, let's see if I can sneak something under there. There it goes. Just these 2 tabs right here. They just kind of press in to these. So it's really easy to just pop them off. Okay, let's do this one first. Now you're just gonna get this 10mm off. And this one. Should be a 10mm as well. Okay, those things come out. So it should snap out of this bracket. You don't need to take this out. You just snap it out right here. And the other side, I think there's nothing. So it's just this holding in right now. So just pull up on the headlight. Okay, it's free. Okay, now this thing kind of hangs out, gets hooked up over here. Okay, now we're working it loose. This one. Now we can just throw this out of the way. All right, I'm stupid and I forgot one bolt down here, so let's grab that. All right, now we got the headlight out. Now you just basically unhook everything from the back of the light and then transfer the bulbs to your new unit. So this one connects here. It kind of routes or is tied in with the main headlight. These ones just kind of twist out. Okay, this one down here also kind of twists out. Okay, there's a little itty bitty bulb. And then these also, you're gonna want to disconnect them first and then they just twist out. In fact, since I'm changing the headlights, I might leave all these dangling and hope that they don't get damaged. If they do, I'll just get new bulbs. All right, boys, she's got a black eye for the moment, but I'm gonna unwrap this and we're just gonna put all these bulbs back in. All right, guys, and after you get those bulbs back into the headlight, the new headlight, just install everything back in the reverse order. It's as simple as that. This job is not difficult and it should not scare you to do it yourself. The new headlights cost about $300 on eBay, and I think they really transform the look of the car, and I highly recommend this modification. I've done it on both of my GXs already and they're performing awesome. Check out the results. I think it completely transformed the look of that abandoned GX470, and I'm really happy with those results. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next video.